Presenting to you the nitrogen inflator from DaTo, the model NISSM101. This is the nitrogen generator with inbuilt 50-liter tank with single point outlet for charging the car tires with nitrogen at a single tire application. The machine has a proven track record with DaTo for more than 10 years. This design is quite durable, and it comes with highly durable air filter regulators and pressure control systems. The charging and discharging functions are quite good. The purge function is very much effective. The full body comes with powder coated material, so it's highly durable during any weather conditions. The machine is absolutely good with low noise operations and requires input of compressed air for operation. The machine comes with a digital display, so you can set the required pressure that is required for inflating your tires with this feature. That machine gives you high purity nitrogen that makes the tire pressures stable during your drive, especially in Middle East and Gulf countries where your tire pressure keeps changing due to the heat on the road and of the sun. So applying the tire nitrogen on your tires could be a great advantage.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,